Hi everybody, Isaac here again in my coding environment. Today I'm going to be talking about Hyperledger and blockchain development on my Arch Linux system here. Hyperledger is being developed by the Linux Foundation along with IBM and Apache. To name a couple that are working on this. And what it enables you to do is create private blockchains, whether it be for business to business use, etc. This is not creating a currency, it's just creating a blockchain. So I'm going to switch to my computer here in a minute. But just to talk about what I'm doing here, I'm not going to be running a blockchain on my home system just yet. I'm just going to show you what's possible and some of the things that you have to be able to run a private blockchain on Arch Linux. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to my screen now, and I'll show you a little bit about what's going on. Let it get into focus here. Okay. So one of the first things that you have to have, some of the dependencies are, of course, Hyperledger Fabric, Composer, Cello, and some of the dependencies that go with those, along with Docker. Hyperledger Fabric is a platform for distributed ledger solutions underpinned by a modular architecture delivering high degrees of confidentiality, resiliency, flexibility, and scalability. It is designed to support pluggable implementations of different components and accommodate the complexity and intricacies that exist across the economic ecosystem. Hyperledger Fabric delivers a uniquely elastic and extensible architecture, distinguishing it from alternative blockchain solutions. Planning for the future of enterprise blockchains requires building on top of a fully vetted, open source architecture, and Hyperledger Fabric is a starting point. Some of the other dependencies that you'll need are I think I have them here. Let me switch to another screen. Okay, yeah. You're gonna need all of these. Let's get it to focus here. It always takes a minute. You can see it. I have the Docker Compose bin, the Hyperledger Composer, Hyperledger Fabric. I also have a Hyperledger Fabric chain tool, although I took a look at that and there wasn't much I was able to do with that. I might have to configure that. A lot of these are going to be needing some configuration, and as I do that, I'll be posting more videos. You're also going to need libcello. You can see I have that over there. That is a high-level C# programming tool that allows you to program on the blockchain. And I think that's it. Let me see if there's another screen that I can talk about other dependencies. Oh yeah. Okay, this is Docker Compose. It's another thing that is required. You can see there it is focusing. So you're going to need Docker Compose, and there's some bash scripts files in there too that I'm going to have to write. But anyway, I didn't want to make this video too long, but I'm just trying to show you that on an Arch Linux system you're able to download the programs that you need from Apache to be able to start working on producing your own Hyperledger for business network systems. and it's a very awesome program to write in and work in, and I look forward to sharing more videos about my process here. Thanks for watching.